Patty the brave pancake, flipping out for happiness. Once upon a time, in a cozy little kitchen, there lived a jar of pancake, mix named Patty. Patty had one big dream, to become the most delicious, golden brown pancake and bring joy to kids everywhere. But little did she know, her journey would be anything but easy.
Yummy pancake.
Wow, that breakfast looks amazing. One sunny morning, Patty heard the familiar sound of footsteps. Mama was in the kitchen, humming a happy tune. Today is Pancake Day, she announced. Patty's heart leaped. This was it, her chance to shine. Mama scooped some of Patty out of her jar and poured her into a big mixing bowl. Oh, this tickles. Patty giggled as the eggs and milk joined her. Then came the whisk. It spun her around and around. Hold on, said Sammy the spoon, stirring the mixture. This part is always a bit wild. Patty felt dizzy, but it was also kind of exciting. I'm ready for anything, she said, even though she wasn't quite sure what was coming next. Mama carried the bowl to the stove, and that's when Patty saw the pan. It was big, round, and sizzling hot. Oh, Patty whispered. Is that where I'm going? Don't worry, said the pan kindly. This heat will make you the star you're meant to be. Patty took a deep breath as Mama poured her into the pan. The heat was intense, and Patty began to bubble. Oh no, I'm melting, she cried. You're not melting, said the pan. You're transforming. This is the magic of becoming a pancake. Slowly but surely, Patty turned golden brown. She was starting to feel proud of herself when suddenly, flip, Mama used the spatula to toss her high into the air. Wait, Patty shouted, flipping and twirling. She landed back on the pan, perfectly balanced. That was amazing, Patty said. She was starting to feel like a real pancake now. Soon, Patty was placed on a plate with a few other pancakes. Benny the butter slid on top of her, melting softly. You look fantastic, he said. Then came Sammy the syrup, drizzling all over her. Now you're ready, he said. Time to make some kids happy. Add your fifth fact here. Pancakes wow. Yummy wow. Patty was carried to the dining table, where two little kids sat with wide eyes. Pancakes, they cheered. Their joy was so contagious, Patty forgot all about the bubbling, flipping, and heat. The kids took their first bites. So yummy, said the little boy. Thank you, Patty, whispered the girl with a big smile. At that moment, Patty knew it had all been worth it. She had faced the heat, the flips, and the syrup to bring joy to these kids. From then on, Patty became a legend in the kitchen, inspiring every bit of batter to dream big. She taught them all that even when things get tough, the journey can lead to something wonderful. And so, Patty the pancake lived on in every smile, every laugh, and every plate of breakfast happiness.